first thing you're gonna do is open up your design. You're gonna add a text block, and this is, I'm just typing in wavy text here. Then I'm gonna move it to the side. I'm going to go over to the effects tab, and then I'm going to choose curve text, and I'm going to make the curve about 40 or about 45 or so. Should be good. That's the degree of which is curved upwards. And then I'm going to duplicate the same item, move it to the side, and I'm going to go back to the effects tab, and instead of making it positive 45, I'm going to make it negative 45. Then I'm going to put these two text blocks together, and then I'm going to select both of them and hit group, and that way it can move as one unit. Then I'm going to change the color, and you can customize this however you want. And then I'm going to duplicate it multiple times, and duplicate again, and there's your wavy text.